So everything is finally now related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We have some exciting features coming to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But before we move on, if you don't hit subscribe, hit the subscribe button now. Now let's talk about the new features that will come in these 25 Ultra. The first feature we have is the high-resolution video mode. The Galaxy's 25 Ultra will have a new high-resolution video mode that improves video quality with less noise, potentially closing the gap with Apple's video performance. AI could play a key role in this enhancement. Now we have the ultra-angle lens in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The new ultra-angle lens will provide photos with 4 times better clarity, giving users a better wide-angle photo experience. Now let's talk about the auto eraser feature. This feature will allow users to remove unwanted background noise from videos, making footage cleaner and more professional. Now the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the first phone that come with the log video mode. The S25 Ultra will support log video, providing uncompressed video with higher bit rates, improved clarity, and better dynamic range. Ideal for creators looking for more control over their video editing. Now we have the Silicon Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in the S25 Ultra. With this powerful chip, users can expect smoother lens switching and overall better performance, especially in video-related tasks. Now let's talk about the AI display feature. The feature will allow users to increase brightness by up to 43% compared to previous models, making outdoor visibility much better. Now let's talk about the performance. Official performance stats show a 34% better GPU, 38% better CPU, and 43% better PPU, performance unit, ensuring faster and smoother operation. Now Samsung introduction, a new vapor chamber in the S25 Ultra that will improve heat management by 42%, ensuring better performance without overheating. Now we have the news related to the color option in the S25 Ultra. So what you are looking at, the official colors of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I have to say the colors are looking pretty good, of course. There will be 3 more colors coming exclusively for the online purchase. I have to say, this black silver Galaxy S25 Ultra is looking absolutely amazing. We also have the colors for the S25s, 25 Plus. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.